Welcome to Jay's daily pre-market briefing for February 23rd, Friday, 2018. Starting off with crude oil, we had the inventories yesterday, and the 60.96 to 60.57 area, that zone held well. That was the bottom area for the day. We moved up, and we're very close to 60.92. You can see we pierced it just a tag 63. And we're back below 60.92 now. So for the upside action on crude oil, I'm expecting a further move up, but it's got to get back above 62.92. For some reason it doesn't. We come back through 62.10, then you've got to be looking for the lower 60s, or sorry, mid 60s to, and if we get through the mid 60s, then probably all the way down to the mid 57s on crude oil. So watch that 62.92, very important, as well as 62.10, and that's going to determine the direction probably on Friday and going into next week. Moving over to gold futures. Gold, you can see we haven't really done much the past few days. We're still sitting around these minor levels. 1330.1 to 1327.8. Got one close below it. Now we've got one close above that zone, and we just come back to tag that 1330.1. So as long as we stay above 1330.1, I'd expect us to go up like the bigger, longer arrow suggested. Otherwise, we might get a retest of the 1314.7 to 1307.7 area. So for today, watch the 1330.1 and 1327.8. That's going to be the key as to whether we go down to do a recheck of the zone below that, or whether we go up and make new highs going into probably 1381.1 on gold. Moving over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin futures here coming nicely into our 95.15 area. It's not quite there yet, but fairly close. So the key is going to be, can that 91.10 to 95.15 hold? If it can, then I'd expect us to go and try to test the 12.190 to 13.495 zone. If not, if we get below the 91.10, I'm thinking at least a recheck of the previous low in early February, so down to probably at 58.15 and 52.45 area, and that's going to be the key on the support. If we do get below 91.10, this area has to hold. Otherwise, my surmising that we might be heading to 1645 and possibly the 300s on Bitcoin would be correct. But the key for today, 95.15 to 91.10. See what it does, and if we do get upside action, watch 12.190 to 13.495. Below 91.10, watch out for today, probably 74.95. However, if it does really get trucking, then watch 58.15, 52.45. I don't think that'll happen today. So for today, 74.95, below 91.10 and above 95.15, watch a retest of at least 11,000, probably the 12.190 area on Bitcoin. Nasdaq not doing too much compared to the other instruments, a little bit like gold, kind of in a range right now. You can see these zones, 6905 quarter to 6857.50, and the 6730 quarter to 6748 quarter. Notice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions, no close below the bottom side, that 6730 quarter, that zone, no close below it, no close in it. Same to the top side, 6857.50 to 6905 quarter. Again, no close in that area. So we're really bouncing around in between these two zones for now. So keep an eye on the zones going into Friday. A break either way will probably determine the direction. If we do break top side above 6905 quarter, you're looking, as I've said before, probably at least the 7,000. So I would guess 70, 39, 75 or 70, 73 quarter, maybe even the 7100 area. If we get back below 67.30, then your first zone is going to be about 65.50, and then below that you're looking at the 64.77 to 64.55, 75 on the Nasdaq. And finally, moving on to the Euro futures contract. Really not much happening there the past few days. We did have the inflation report come out yesterday, and it's pretty much ado about nothing. So again, the key zone for support is going to be that 122.48 to 122.11.5. However, if we do stay above, if we can get back above this 123.31, then I think higher highs are in play. We'll probably see the 126.15 and the 126.75 half. But for today, the main areas I'd be watching are the 122.48 to 122.11.5, and the one level below it, 121.28. And then above that 123.31, watch the 124.17 and 125.08, probably the 125.08, since it is a very close to a significant number there. So that's your daily pre-market briefing for Friday, February the 23rd, 2018. Trade well, control risk, and check out some of the tools that we're offering on this channel. And there will be some exciting additions to those happening soon. So stay tuned, and have a great weekend, everybody. And we'll see you in the next video on Monday. Take care, and bye for now.